just recognize all of our channel partners, our rep across India, for their hard work and dedication. We are really excited to collaborate, add more reps, and get more business from 2026 as well.
We are really growing great with the Armstrong as a brand. Considering the new technology of DE and all, we are promoting a lot. We are getting good result on the energy side from the customer and consultant. So we are really feeling excited for going forward with the cloud technology and all.
Today is absolutely a wonderful day for the Cricket guys for Energy Upgrade Awards from Armstrong Technology. I really thanking Armstrong team for providing this award to us. It's really wonderful.
I would like to dedicate this achievement to my family, my team, my support staff, Western Region team. This is a big motivation. This will help us to promote and believe more into optimization.
We promote Armstrong solutions across Tamil Nadu region, and it gives a value addition in terms of optimizing the energy and also optimizing the plants. The ever one company which I have seen so much focus giving to the environmental safety and as well giving value solutions like a cloud connectivity and etc. to customers.
Armstrong is one of the best in the industry, and we are delighted to get their dealership, the support to the dealers, support to the customers, and then the company actually pushing us to work better and better towards the solution and giving a good solution to the end customers.
One of the things that I have found very good is the connectivity of the products, where we can see and monitor the performance of the equipment. This is the good platform where all performance is now getting verified and it's certified by themselves.